Good morning, students. How are you all? So last time I have explained you about chapter number 1, place value, right? 5-digit number, 6-digit number, what is place value chart, how you can write that number in expanded notation, how you can write in words, in figures, right? These all things I have completed in my first video. Now, so we'll start with exercise 1A, right? Exercise 1A, question number 1. Now in question number 1, they have given, write the number shown on the spike abacus. The spike abacus is given inside already. Okay, lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones, right? Like this abacus is given to you already inside in your textbook. Okay, what you have to do, just you have to count the number of bits which are given here. Question number 1A, I am showing you about A. Okay, A is already done before in your textbook, it is already given. So we are doing number F. Instead of A, we will do number F, right? In F, they have given ones place, no bits are given. So we will write here 0, right? We will write 0 in this place, okay? At tens place, they have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have given you 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 bits. So you will write here 5. At 100 place 1 bit is given. So you will write here 1. At thousands place again nothing is given. So we will write 0. And at 10,000 place they have given 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 bits are given. So you will write 4. And at lakhs place they have given 1 and 2. So you will write 2 bits. Okay, 2. So what number you are getting here? You are getting 2,40,150. We have to put comma after the periods get over. Okay. Again the question is only half till here. Then write in words in your exercise books. 2 have been done for you. Okay. Exercise book you have to write in your notebooks. Okay. I think you all have already written it. But how to write that also I am explaining. First you have to write here the number first. Okay. 2,40,150 in words. In figures. Sorry. In figures you have to write. And then you will write in words. Okay. How you will write in words? That is 2,40,000 150. Okay, that is you will write 2,40,150. This is question number 1. The other you have to do by your own. Now question number 2, they have given you the chart shows the number of hours you have lived after reaching a certain age. Means from your birth till now, whatever number hours you have lived your life, that is given in the given chart. Okay. Read the number aloud and write in words in your notebook. So first you will read these numbers loudly. That at the age of 6 years you are 52,560 years you have lived. At 7 years 61,320 years you have lived. 8 years 70,080 years 80 hours you have lived. At 9, you have lived 78,840 hours. And at 10 years old, you have lived 87,600 hours. Right? Now, we have read this. Now, what to do? What you have to do? This number, the number which is given, that number you have to write in your notebook. Like this way, that is 52,560. This is in number. In figure. Now we will write in words. Okay, so write here 52,560. Right? Same method you will continue for all the other numbers. Okay, this same method you have to continue. Now we'll go through question number 3, that is write in figures. Okay. question is already written inside. Question number 3, write in figures. In that also, number A, 17,000 800 99. Okay, this is all 17,899, right? It is given to you in your textbook. This you have to write in figures. Okay, so here we will write 17,000, okay, 899. This is our answer. Clear? This way you have to write the other sums, other questions also. Okay. Question number 4 is fill in the blanks. You have to fill up the blanks. How you will fill, that I am showing you. One number is given to you, that is 1,26,504 has blank 100, blank thousands, blank 10,000s, blank ones, blank tens, blank lakh. Right? Now what you will do here, first of all you have to see what is at 100 place. Now you should know which number is at which place. If you don't know, you can do one thing. You can write here ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh. Right? And now what you can do is, what is at 100 place, that you have to see. Okay, 100 place that is 5. Thousands place it is 6. 10,000 place it is 2. So we will write 2. Ones place it is 4. Right? So we will write 4. Then at tens place it is 0. So 0. And lakh place it is 1. So we will write 1. Like this way we have to complete the blanks which was given in question number 4. Now we will go to question number 5. Question number 5 is write the numeral in each of the following. Write the numeral in each of the following. Okay. Number A I am doing. Number is given 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2 is equal to blank. You have to write here the number. You have to find out the answer of it. What you can do is, you can either add this all. Okay. How you will add? You can add 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2. Like this way if you add, you will get 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. Right? So it will be 25,432. Okay, it is 25,432. Other directly also you can add if you know how to add it. 20,000 plus 5,000, 25,000. 25,000 plus 400, 25,400. 30 plus 2, 32. 25,400 plus 32, that is 25,432. Okay. This way also you can add. This is question number 5. Same method you have to follow for all the sums. Okay, in question number 5. Now we will go through question number 6. Okay. Question number 6 is write the expanded form of each of the following. You have to write the expanded form. Do you remember in last video I have explained you what is expanded form? Expand means to expand something, means to make something big. Here you have to make the number big. Okay, whatever number is given you have to expand it. Now we cannot break it or we cannot pull it, right? So to make it big, but how then we can make it big? By writing the place value of that number. Let me show you once again one number. Number A, here it is given 61,986. 61,986. Okay, this number is given to you, 61,986. What you will do? To expand it, you have to write the place value of it. 6, I'll write 60,000. Place value of 6 is 60,000. Place value of 1 is 1,000. 9 place value is 900. 8 place value is 80. And place value of 6 is 6. Right? If you don't know, what you can do is 60,000 plus 1000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 6. This is the place value of all these digits in this number. Okay, you have to add that. This is called expanded form of the given number or expanded notation of the given number. One more method I explained you last time also, and that was 6. After 6, write 6 first. After 6, count the number of digits. This is the trick, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 1, 2, 3, 4. Zeros over there. Write 1 plus, write 1, after that 3 digits are there, so 3 zeros. Plus 9, after that 2 zeros. Plus 8, after that 1 0, because 1 digit is there, and after 6 nothing is there, so 6. This is the trick to write this. Okay? Okay. In this video till now we have completed question number 1 to 6. Now from 7 onwards I will explain you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.